How are you today, my dear student? I hope that you are all well at your house and you are attentive to your learning, my dear student. Now it is our time, but I want to teach you a topic from class 9 English first paper, and the topic name is Unit 7 Lesson 3 Flashback. My student, you find out the page number 98 from your textbook. You see here stage a paragraph about Parthopratim Mojumdar. You see the text. My student, before discussing about the text, I want to explain you some difficult words, my dear student. My dear student, you know that we are passing a great epidemic that is spread worldwide, and that has given us mass fear about that. About 6 or 7 months we are deprived from teaching or learning, my dear student. The teachers are moving here and there. There is no scope to take the class, my dear student, because coronavirus has attacked us. It is very serious disease, my dear student. We have not seen such a serious disease worldwide season, my dear student. Before, epidemic has spread in a part of the world, but nowadays this epidemic has spread all over the world, my dear students. Now I want to maintain the rules and regulation of health, my dear student. What doctors say to us, what the authority of the country say to us, we should obey the law, my dear student. It is a part of a prayer. If we obey the law of the country, it is a part of prayer. You don't obey the law of the country, our prayer will be not granted to the Almighty Allah, my dear student. If I don't obey the law of the country, if we don't obey the law of the society or a community, the Almighty Allah will punish us. So we should obey the law. We should obey about the coronavirus, what has been told by the doctors to us, my dear student. You should obey the law. I am teaching to you, not only I am teaching to you the topics, my dear student. It is my duty to save your life, my dear student. To save your life, how can we live in the world overcoming the coronavirus, my dear student? It is our duty to express to you, my dear student. Now, my dear student, you are attentive to my lesson, to another teacher's lesson, to mathematics lesson. All the lesson is important for you, that is spreading in our Facebook or online, my dear student. It is our we are very pleased to take such a technology has taken our beneficent government to spread the class to you. You are sitting in a corner of the house and I am giving the teaching to you from one corner of my house or school building, my dear student. Now I am in a school building and blackboard is at front of me, my dear student. My dear student, you know I want to explain some difficult words, my dear student. Listen to me very carefully. Here, class 9, English first paper, unit 7, lesson 3, flashback. Flashback means fire দেখা. Flashback means fire দেখা, my dear student. Flashback means fire দেখা. Words are here. You are seeing the words, my dear student. Here first word is artist. Artist. I have explained before about this, my dear. Though I have explained before this, I am again explaining to you for your catching power, to your catching power increase. Artist, shilpi. Spent. Here past or past participle, my dear student. Otibahito. Spent মানে অতিবাহিত করা. Early years, my dear student. Early years. Located, situated, অবস্থিত, located. Locality, এলাকা, region. Locality, এলাকা, region. Cultural, সাংস্কৃতিক. Cultural, সাংস্কৃতিক. What the sculptor do. What the sculptor do. That is cultural. Activity, কর্মকাণ্ড. Venture. Activity, কর্মকাণ্ড, venture. My student, I am going to middle part of the blackboard, my dear student. Middle part. You see the middle part and the last part toward cover my monitor of my mobile phone, my dear student. Here festival means উৎসব, ceremony, anniversary. Photographer, আলোকচিত্র শিল্পী, those who take photo, they are the photographer. Profession, here Bengali meaning পেশা, that is career, English career. Profession, পেশা, career. Art here কলা, art means কলা. I have explained about art many times, my dear student. Teach, here present tense, teach, শিক্ষা দেওয়া. Inspire, অনুপ্রেরণা দেওয়া. Appreciate, প্রশংসা করা. Prize, come across, হঠাৎ দেখা পাওয়া. See the word মাইম, মূকাভিনয়. narrated, ব্যাখ্যা করেছিল, এটা past tense. narrate মানে ব্যাখ্যা দেওয়া. stories, গল্প. uttering, উচ্চারণ, pronounce. spellbound, মন্ত্রমুগ্ধ. একাডেমি, প্রতিষ্ঠান. childhood, বাল্যকাল. My dear student, I have explained the word meaning, my dear student. My dear student, I am teaching about art, my dear student. What is art? When a man uttering some words so sweetly, that is a art. When a player act and tells something nicely, that is act. When a singer sings nicely, that is an art. When there are many kinds of artists here in the world here, my student. Art means to make nicely things, that is art. Now, my dear student, I want to sing a song to you, my dear student. This is a one kind of art, melodious song. It is a sung by Muhammad Rafi. I will sing a song to you, my dear student. Listen to me attentively. लुट गया मेरे सपनों की डेरा, ओ लुट गया मेरे सपनों की डेरा, कैसा इंसाफ मालिकिए तेरा, लुट गए मेरे सपनों की डेरा, ओ लुट गए मेरे सपनों की डेरा, फूल खिलने ना पाए से दिल के, हो गए हम जुदा तुमसे मिलके, फूल खिलने ना पाए से दिल के, हो गए हम जुदा तुमसे मिलके, कर लिया हमने दिल में बसेरा, लुट गए मेरे सपनों की डेरा, कैसा इंसाफ मालिकिए तेरा, लुट गई मेरे सपनों की डेरा, खेल दुनिया ने कैसा ये खेला, हो गया आज साथी अकेला, खेल दुनिया ने कैसा ये खेला, हो गया आज साथी अकेला, अर तड़पता रहा लुट गए मेरे सपनों की डेरा, कैसा इंसाफ मालिकिए तेरा, लुट गई मेरे सपनों की डेरा, झुट गया प्यार किस्मत पड़ गई खात से उल्फत की ढागे, झुट गया प्यार किस्मत की आगे, पड़ गए खात से उल्फत के धागे, दोष तेरा नहीं और ना मेरा, लुट गई मेरे सपनों की डेरा, दोष तेरा नहीं और ना मेरा, लुट गई मेरे सपनों की डेरा, ओ लुट गई मेरे सपनों की डेरा, कैसा इंसाफ मालिकिए तेरा, लुट गई मेरे सपनों की डेरा, ओ लुट गई मेरे सपनों की डेरा. My dear student, you have entertained so much, my dear student. Now, my dear student, I want to explain, discuss passage, my dear student. I have explained some difficult words, the lesson 3, my dear flashback. My dear student, now I want to discuss about this, my dear student. My dear student, page number, you find out page number 98, and listen to me very carefully. I am reading the text, my dear student, and listen so very carefully. My dear student, listening skill is very important. we learn English in four way, that is listening, speaking and reading and writing. Now I am speaking to you and your duty to listen to me very carefully. If you listen to me very carefully, you learn so much. Listening is a very important skill of learning English, my dear student. Now I am reading the text, you listen to me so minutely, my dear student. Parthopratim Majumdar was born in 1854 in Pabna to a family of artists. He spent most of his early years in his big ancestral home, situated in a small Kolasatpara. Kolasatpara was well known for its cultural activities. There were festivals and various types of cultural shows round the year. Majumdar's family, a photographer by profession, was an art lover. He taught and inspired his form of art. Majumdar learned in Chandarnagar, 30 kilometers away from Kolkata in 1966. It was there that the came across a mime artist named Jogesh Dotto. The way Dotto narrated stories without uttering a single word left Majumdar spellbound. He took lesson on mime from Dotto in his mime academy in Kolkata from 1966 to 1972. My dear student, I have finished the reading the text, my dear student. Now I want to give some topics to learn. I give some topics to you learn. My student, you are seeing a table here, my dear student. Here A and B table. At the left side A and right side B. Here a sentence has two parts, my dear student. You join which is requirement to the students, which is when it will be the meaningful sentence, my dear. When you join one part of A and one part B and gives a meaningful view to us, then that will be the complete sentence, my dear student. My student, you see the Majumdar was very much impressed. Majumdar was very much impressed. Dekho, here E number, when he saw Dotto's performance, my dear student. Number 2, he spent most of his childhood in his own village. Number 3, his father loved art. His father loved the people of his locality were